So after nating makita ang moon at ang Venus gamit ang telescope, puntahan naman natin itong southern hemisphere. Ayan. So dito makikita natin ang constellation ng Orion. Ayan. Yung tatlong maliwanag na star sa gitna, yun yung Orion's Belt. And then itong kulay reddish dito, yan ang Betelgeuse, which is a red supergiant star around 800 light years away. And this one is a blue supergiant star called Rigel. So you can imagine here a man, yan. Yung dalawa sa taas balikat, yung dalawa sa baba, yan yung legs, tapos may belt sa gitna. O, diba? Tapos meron pa ditong tatlong faint na stars. Ito, yan. Makikita natin dyan ang Orion Nebula. Meron dyan na parang hazy clouds. Kaso nga lang hindi kita dito sa camera na gamit ko ngayon. Kasi ang gamit ko yung luma kong iPhone. Okay? Now lipat naman tayo dito. Yan, ito. This star that we see right now, this bright one, is called Sirius. Okay, this Sirius is the brightest star as seen from the Earth. Not because it's very huge, but because it's close to the Earth. May layo siyang approximately 8 light years lang. So the light that we see from that star right now left Sirius some 8 years ago. So if by now it will vanish, for the next 8 years may makikita pa rin tayong liwanag niya nagta-travel through space. O, diba? O, dito naman tayo. Ano makikita natin dito? Itong bright one na to, this is the planet Jupiter. Yan. And this one is the planet Mars. O, diba? Ang dami nating na stargazing tonight. Until next time. Bye.